Pretending reality. Does a child have the right to know the identity of their father no matter what? La Coudeza de la Dominique, in collaboration with the Division of Human Services, invites the people of Vieux Fort and environs to the showing of its short film, Pretending Reality. Film written by Dominica and Gloria Septra Augustus and directed by Curtis Clarendon with consultant Dr. Alwyn Bully. Saturday, 13th October at 4 p.m. at the IAU Medical School, Binfield, Vieux Fort. Entrance is free. Come see Pretense Extract Truth and Truth Ignite Tragedy. Come see the film Pretending Reality.
I just want him to accept me before he dies.
Come see and take action.